Dear learners, I greet you all. My name is Mohammed Siril. I'm a teacher for social studies from the CIPRO Educational Services in the Department of Social Studies. Today, we are going to have a look at a topic in social studies from primary 1, around there, primary 1, primary 5, and primary 7, about weather. Weather is the state of the atmosphere recorded for a short time. The word atmosphere in this case may sound as a new word. Atmosphere is the mass of air around the earth. Atmosphere, the mass of air or the air around us is called the atmosphere. So in the atmosphere we have changes that take place. These natural changes that take place without the influence of man. Sometimes you find it is raining. At another time it is sunny, it is shining. On another day it is windy. So according to this, we have the types of weather. The types of weather are 4. Beginning with the first one is cloudy weather. You can also refer to them as conditions of weather. Cloudy weather, this is now the time of the day or a state of the atmosphere when the sky is covered with clouds. You don't see any sunshine outside, but just you feel some kind of coldness. Clouds have covered the sky. We refer to that as cloudy weather. We have rainy weather on the other side. That is when we are receiving drops of rain from the sky. That is rainy weather. We have sunny weather. That's when it is shiny. There is sunshine outside. Sometimes we even run away and take shelter. That is sunny weather. Then we also have windy weather. When the wind is blowing, that is called windy weather. So these are the conditions of weather. After the conditions of weather, we have a quick look at the elements of weather. Elements of weather are things that make the weather change. Like we have sunshine. We have wind. We have rainfall. We have temperature. We have humidity. We have air pressure. We have clouds. These things make the weather change. For example, if it has been raining and it stops, then we see sunshine. The sunshine has made it to become sunny. If it has been, maybe wind has been blowing, or it has been shining, then we see the wind blowing. You are right to say that the weather now is windy. We can say the weather is raining if there is rainfall. So these things make the weather change. You also attached the instruments to them. For example, here we use a Campbell sunshine recorder. A Campbell sunshine recorder is used to record the hours of sunshine. The hours it has been shining. Some people think that maybe it is used to measure sunshine. Sunshine cannot be measured. But you record the hours it has been shining. We have wind. Wind has a number of instruments. We can use an instrument like, here is a sunshine recorder. Campbell's sunshine recorder. This one, as the sun hits this ball, the ball reflects it to the paper, and this paper goes on getting burnt as it indicates the hours. So when you are taking readings, you read from the paper as it is being burnt. Wind is moving air in the atmosphere. Wind has a number of instruments. It also has elements. There are some instruments we use to tell the direction of wind. Others are used to tell the speed, to measure the speed of wind. So wind can The direction of wind can be determined using a wind vane. A wind vane determines the direction from which wind is blowing. It determines the direction from which wind is blowing, according to what you see in the diagram. In this diagram, it is a wind vane. When wind blows, it hits here. It blows that blade of the wind vane, and the arrow rotates. It faces the direction where wind is blowing from. According to this wind vane now, the wind was blowing from the north, and it is blowing going to the south. So a wind vane tells the direction from which wind is blowing. But a windsock tells the direction to which wind is blowing. So that sock goes to the direction where wind is blowing to. As wind blows, it enters this sack, and this sack will show you where wind is blowing to. This may not be called a weather instrument because it is commonly found on airstrips, airports, and other airfields. It is used to show the direction to which wind is blowing to, and it shows the direction to a pilot. A pilot uses a windsock. This is called an anemometer. An anemometer is used to measure the speed of wind. These are called metal caps. These ones, they are metal caps. When wind blows, it blows into the metal caps, and the whole thing begins rotating. Very many children use these things when they are playing their games. They cut pieces of paper. You can make your own anemometer. Cut pieces of paper. You connect them to a stick, one paper facing another direction and the other in an opposite direction. As you run in the wind, the paper begins to rotate. That rotation is exactly how an anemometer does. When it rotates, it has a scale somewhere that will be showing you the speed, the speed of wind. The speed of wind is measured in kilometers per hour. So this one is an anemometer used to determine the speed of wind. Let's play the video. Anemometer, it is telling you, it is determining, this is wind blowing into the metal caps. And as wind blows into the metal caps begin rotating. According to this speed now, the wind was very weak. It wasn't speedy enough.